Count number of days in year from the given date in Excel. Calculate days in year feature of Kutools for Excel. Normally, a year has 365 days, but every 4 years, a leap year occurs with 366 days. To quickly determine if a given date falls in a leap year, and count the number of days in that year in Excel, I highly recommend the Calculate Days in Year feature of Kutools for Excel. First, select a blank cell to output the result. Then navigate to the Kutools tab. Click Formula Helper. Math and Trig. Calculate Days in Year. In the Formulas Helper dialog, go to the Date section, and click the Browse button of the Date box. Select the first cell for counting the year's days, then press Enter. Click OK. You can see the number of days in the year for the first cell has been calculated. Drag the fill handle down to calculate the remaining cells. You can now see the number of days in each year's cells and determine whether they are leap years. Kutools for Excel with more than 300 essential and advanced features. Enjoy permanently free AI features now.